one exercise that will improve your left hand, your right hand, your scale knowledge and your fretboard knowledge in 5 minutes. Here we go. Hey Guitar Champion, I'm Hombach, back from my practice cave, and welcome to today's video. Rather short video, but a really cool exercise that I have here for you, because I don't have in this week that much time to prepare the videos for my YouTube stuff, but still I have a little bit of time to show you this really cool exercise. And I came up with this exercise by going through Carl Czerny's studies. He's a piano player, and this is a really old piano book with piano etudes. Every piano student hates this book because, yeah, it's not really musical, but I like the concept behind this book. And now for me as guitar player, I came across the first melody, which goes like this. Pretty cool, pretty easy C major kind of melody, but it's not really about the melody. You can use this method and adapt it to so many licks and exercises and lines and arpeggios and whatnot, because the trick here is now, I've started with the index finger and I used the 3-note per string scale. But let's try playing this lick with starting with my middle finger and then adjusting every other note. Then I have something like this. And now it's something completely different for my left hand and for my right hand, and also for my scale knowledge, my fretboard knowledge. Now I have 2 notes instead of 3 notes on the D string, and more number of notes on the G string. So I have to adapt my right hand, playing everything alternate picking. This is the one rule that you should adapt when you have an example like this, that you only play alternate picking, because when you're now applying sweep picking, you're cheating a little bit. But we want to give our hand the most amount of different situations so it can grow out of this experience. So, and then I'm not starting only on the middle finger, I start to do it on the ring finger as well. And try it out. This is not that easy. This is actually pretty tricky, but not using the index finger, only using this finger, and especially the difference between the middle finger and the ring finger. This is not easy, but it's an extremely good exercise for your left hand independency. Really awesome. But therefore we can change another thing. We can not only start with the ring finger, we can also start with the pinky. And there, then the melody goes like this. Again, not that easy, especially the C major arpeggio and this kind of lick here, but extremely helpful. And practicing this only costs you like 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and you can apply it to my new practice routine, which I demonstrated in my last video, the video where I talked how I practiced like an ex-Marine. Yeah! So definitely worth to check out. What you can do as well, of course, is playing it in different string settings, because we of course have to adapt a different kind of fingering because of the different tuning between the G and the B string. But for example, starting here on the E string, we can get something completely different. Or even playing it like this. So you see, by just changing one of few things, you can have so much impact on so many things that you especially want to practice on. Right hand, left hand, scale knowledge, fretboard knowledge, all this kind of stuff. Alright, check this out, maybe with some licks and some melodies that you're practicing right now, and get the biggest results out of these exercises with this practice habit. If you like this little video, then hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. See you in my next video. Cheers and stay progress. Bye.